Let me show you how we can enable voice to text on a Motorola Edge 70. So if you want to say something out loud and then convert it into a text in order to, for example, send a text message like that, then in this case, once you open the conversation, we can of course tap on the text field in order to open the keyboard. And then you should be able to find this microphone on the right side. So you can tap over here. Then of course we need to grant the permission for the keyboard to let it record ourselves, so that whatever we say out loud, it will be converted into the text, as you can see over here on the screen. And you can tap on the microphone in order to deactivate the microphone, of course. Now, if for some reason you don't have the microphone over here, what you can do is you can tap on these 4 squares that you have on the left side, and then we can go to settings over here. So once we open keyboard settings, you should be able to find the voice typing, and you want to make sure that it is enabled in this place. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.